First of all, the joint entry from Carolyn Power and Sarah Evans from the Liaison group. This entry entitled TempRE Help, this was produced in support of their TempRE product. This was used by National Health Service organisations. This was for managing the resourcing of temporary staff. There are actually 4 different user types, and they're using modules and conditional text for ease of use and ease of the entrance used a find out, perform task approach with expanding drop downs as the user chose the elements that they required. The judges were very impressed with this entry, a very accomplished piece, great care to ensure that the content and the structure suited the intended users. It's got a really good look and feel, and excellent use of plain language and a good logical structure. Navigation excellent, comprehensive search. And also the judges felt that for such a small team, it was a particularly impressive entry. So congratulations and well-deserved merit award to Carolyn Power and Sarah Evans. And if either of them are with us today, either or both?
Yes, we're on the call. Yes.
Oh, hi.
Yes, you are. Hello.
Hello. Right. Nice to see you both, and well done. And thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Likewise. Thank you.
These merit award entries are by our order of receipt of entry. Our second entry from our Kosan Crisplant Lanka PVT Limited. This was the MAKEEN Gateway User Interface User Guide. Now, this entry was put together in a short time scale, and that was the emphasis, that this was produced quickly, but to make a user guide that was in a plain style that was suitable for those who didn't have a knowledge of the product. So quick introduction to the interface. We've got a highlighted dashboard as the means of displaying the features. So you've got features, terminology, overview of data, security entry, general settings, and keyboard shortcuts. Now, what the entrants stated that they were aiming to achieve here was a plain, concise, and active writing style, so that the user could read effortlessly. And this was succeeded, a very, very well-structured guide, suitable for the target audience. So the customers, technical staff who will be using this product. So it was very well designed and well implemented, and our congratulations to the team. Again, I don't know if any of the team members are present today.
I'm afraid they're not with us today, Linda.
Fair enough. That's not surprising since they're from Sri Lanka. But congratulations to them, and that will be recorded for them. Entry 3. This is Karina Lehrner-Mayer. This is from the firm ISIS Papyrus Europe AG. This is an entry that is produced in English and in German. The Papyrus Correspondence Business Designer Workshop Course Guide. So this was the full documentation set for a 5-day course for this designer workshop. The idea was that those attending the course would have domain-specific experience, but they would not have the relevant IT knowledge. In some cases, it was also considered that people who were new to the product would gain benefit from attending the course. So it was available in English and in German. Now, a lot of work went into this entry for the different material, for the different days of the course, to ensure that there's consistency of style across the set, and also make it material readily referenceable. This is all very comprehensively and consistently achieved. The judges noted in particular the code examples, which were particularly well presented, and we felt that the user could be confident of finding the relevant information readily. So a very accomplished piece of work, and congratulations to Karina. Again, don't know if Karina is present.
Karina is here, but I'm not sure if she's able to speak.
Hello, I'm here.
Oh, hi, Karina.
Yeah, thank you for the award. Also on behalf of the team.
Well, we're very pleased to be able to present the award, Karina, and well done to the team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, moving on to entry 4. This is Gary Appleton from Aptean Limited, and the entry was the Aptean proof of delivery online help. Now, this was an ambitious entry, 3 user guides, 3 different user types, administrators, planners and drivers, and also take into account that the drivers would be using mobile devices, and so there were the interactive elements for their use of the product. So they identified as a challenge the need to engage with the users, different levels of experience, going from school leavers to advanced users, and different parts of the business. This was all very effectively produced, content and layout very suitable, material was very well presented, and the language use effective. The judges noted the interactive elements, the step-by-step instructions, particularly well executed. One felt that they have met the stated aim. What they wish to do is to increase the user confidence in the documentation, as well as having confidence in the product itself. And we believe that the award, that the entry deserves to achieve this, and should be very effective for their users. And so congratulations, Gary and Aptean Limited. Is Gary present?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, hi, Gary. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you for providing the opportunity that these awards provide, and it's a great privilege to be recognized. Thank you.
Oh, thank you for your entry. Thanks. Right, entry 5. This is Paul Ballard, a 3DI and Unzer collaboration, the Unzer API documentation portal. This was quite a challenge here. The Unzer 3DI were collaborating to keep the API documentation up to date and to enable auto updating, and in line with best practice, in step with the product development life cycle, and also coping with the features of the company rebrand, and with a longer term objective that the Unzer staff would be able to maintain their own documentation. So very ambitious in scope and scale. And the judges were very impressed with the clean and clear appearance and the ease of navigation. The resulting product exudes quality, very engaging, consistent use of language and styles, and felt that it promoted confidence in the validity of the information provided. A lot of work had gone into this, clearly, and one thing was very notable, that you've got various types of software in use to produce this entry, yet the final result is seamless, a very good quality product. So congratulations to 3DI Unzer, and I believe Paul is here.
I'm here, but I absolutely should not take the credit here.
Right, okay.
My colleagues Basha and Michal and David are, I think, also on the call. Guys, unmute yourselves and take some glory.
Right, congratulations to you all. Can we see you?
Thank you.
And
Yes.
hear you? Hi.
Yes, of course. Hi,
Great.
Linda.
well done. That's really very impressive entry, and good to meet you.
Thank you. I must say that winning the award would not be possible if not for all the hard work done also by Keith, George, Szymon, Jakub, and Agata, all involved in the documentation process at some point. So thank you so much.
Right. Thank you very much, and thank you for naming the others. That's very good. Thanks. And Merit Award number 6. So this is Paul's entry for 3DI again. This is 3DI with IndigoVision. For the product is the IndigoVision Agora documentation. So this is part of a much larger project that 3DI were bringing Agora's documentation up to a better standard, and also to incorporate the rebranding following acquisition by Agora of IndigoVision. So there's a significant uplift of documentation to bring this up to standard and to rebrand. This is for an audience consisting of customers, partners, as well as the internal testing staff and internal testing staff and internal support staff. The documents submitted as entries were an installation and maintenance guide and a how-to document. The entry was a very high quality and a very good evidence of an end result of collaboration between companies. And the judges felt that those involved in this entry should be very proud of their achievement. We have a report of the outcome of the collaboration that there's what they're looking for is high quality documentation as standard, and the quality of the entries to the awards bears this out. You've got consistently good quality, which must promote confidence in the content, and so leading that on to the standard for the documentation as a whole and going forward. So congratulations to 3DI and IndigoVision. Over to you, Paul, in the first instance again.
Thank you. And again, I must stress that my colleagues who are at the pointy end of delivering this, and Sarah Eager, who is one of our technical writers and lead writer for this project. I think you're on the call, Sarah, so make yourself known to everybody and take some glory.
Thank you. Yeah, I just wanted to say thanks very much for the Merit Award, and a huge thanks to the rest of my team who managed to put this together in a really short time frame.
Right, thanks very much, Sarah, and congratulations to you all.
Thank you.
And then, in addition to the 6 Merit Award winners, we had an entry that the judges assigned as the overall winner and the winner of the trophy for 2021. And so on behalf of the judges, I'm delighted to announce the winner as Michael Bowler of IBM. And this is for the IBM Cúram Social Program Management on Kubernetes Runbook. Now this Runbook was designed for use by developers, varying levels of experience, and this is in response to issues where the users did not have knowledge in the cloud-based technology. So this system is used by IBM staff, partners, and their customers worldwide. The judges selected this as the overall winner because of the outstanding quality of all aspects of the entry. The appearance attractive, consistent, navigation well designed, implemented successfully, text and graphics clear, consistent, comprehensive, very notably useful and well presented code examples, and very impressive set of videos which were well paced, a good tutorial style that seemed to be fitted for the subject matter and say well paced. And so on behalf of the judges, I'm very pleased to present to Michael the trophy for 2021 and say the team should be really proud of themselves for producing this entry. I believe Michael is on the call. I believe he's going to be able to show us his trophy and maybe say a few words.
Yes, indeed. Can you see and hear me?
Hi.
Hi,
Yeah, we
how
can
are
see
you?
you.
Very
We're
good.
That's good. Can we
I'll
see
be
the
merciful
Can we see the
indeed.
trophy?
Okay.
There it is.
Okay. So I'm very happy, despite the best efforts of Irish Customs and Excise, to accept this trophy on behalf of the Kubernetes team. Thank you very much. As Paul pointed out earlier on in his presentations, I feel a little bit of a fraud accepting this award because the real effort, the real innovation and the design for this runbook came mostly from the development team. In fact, almost came entirely from the development team, which was a refreshing change because sometimes development teams treat the product documentation as an afterthought, and I'm sure everybody in this call can appreciate that. But not so with this team. They put the runbook and its contents and its design at the center of their work. So this award, thank you very much again, will take pride of place in our team workspace.
Right. Thanks very much, Michael. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.